Hello, dear viewers. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I showed how to calculate amount adsorb and percent removal for adsorption kinetics and effect of pH. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to show you how to calculate percent removal for effect of adsorbent dose. For example, here is the experimental conditions for methylene blue adsorption onto manganese dioxide biosar composite, and mass is 5 to 50 mg, volume is 50 milliliter, concentration of methylene blue is 10 ppm, and temperature is 25. Then you need to make a Excel sheet like this. For example, these are the mass 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 10 ppm methylene blue standard solution absorbance, and then absorbance of methylene blue plus manganese dioxide biosar composite. These are the absorbance. So, in order to calculate, you need to do equal to C13. That means absorbance of standard minus absorbance of sample divided by absorbance of standard into 100. So using this formula, you can easily calculate percent removal. And then if you scroll to right, then you can easily calculate percent removal for other sample. Now, these are the mass in milligram, but you need to convert this mass milligram into dose gram per liter. So gram per liter means amount in milligram divided by volume of solution in milliliter. So here 5 mg divided by 50 milliliter. So that means if you divide this divided by 50 milliliter, then you get the adsorbent dose gram per liter. Then you have to plot dose versus percent removal. Although I have showed here mass versus percent removal, but you have to plot adsorbent dose versus percent removal. So you will get almost similar plot, and after modification, you can make it publication quality. So this is how you can easily calculate uh, percent removal versus adsorbent dose using Excel sheet. That's for today. If you have any query, please leave your comment in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation. Like, comment, share for new videos.